Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to make a video for you today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend, and to be honest I don't even really know why this niche is starting to trend. I did a little research on it on Google to see if I could find anything. Wasn't really able to find much, but this niche is starting to take off because when I was doing the research earlier this morning it was under 1,000. Now we're already at 1,000 results, so it looks like people are starting to get their designs up in this niche, and I'd recommend you take advantage of this opportunity as well, because when we look at the BSRs on some of these t-shirts, it's pretty impressive. So the niche is tummy ache survivor. I did some research on Amazon to see if I can find anything on it. It's just basically t-shirt ads. I found one TikTok video right here, an Instagram link, so I'm not too sure why this is trending. If someone knows, let me know. But I already uploaded two designs in this niche. Here's one of them right here. I made this morning kind of using the same theme from the video that I made about how to design for the wavy text style. So this is my design. I uploaded this morning, went through no problem. I just used the keywords tummy ache survivor for the title and for the brand name. But just take a look at these BSRs: 10,000, 61,000, 32, 29, and when you hover over these, I mean, this was uploaded on July 14th, 2022. This was uploaded, this was actually kind of uploaded earlier, but a lot of them are from recently, so April 2022. This one is July 11th, so on the first row, we have two that were just uploaded, in July, which is like a month and a half ago. So pretty impressive. And again, if we take a look at the next row, I mean, look at these, all under 200,000 BSR, July. Well, this one's January. So, when I saw this, I said, okay, I got to take advantage of this niche, get some designs up, see if I can get some sales. When we take a look at on test to see if this is trademarked, you're going to see tummy ache survivor, hit enter. Nothing is going to pop up. Like I said, I already had some designs go through using that keyword, so I think it should be good. Competition on Etsy. Let's take a look at that to see what we have. Only 326 results. So very low. You can see it has the popular now tag, so that's a good sign right there. Redbubble under 1,000, and TeePublic also. Let's see how many pages there are. Okay, so TeePublic looks like it could be maybe the best opportunity, because I'm only seeing maybe half a page of actual designs, and the designs don't seem that impressive either. So yeah, this is the niche. Take advantage of this niche. Get some designs up, put them on all the platforms, merch, all the products on Redbubble, Etsy, TeePublic. You can go to Vexels, maybe get some design inspiration there, some clip art. I got an affiliate link in the description. You can watch my latest video where I teach you how to make a design using this style, the wavy retro text like this. So maybe you can do something similar like that. But this could be a good opportunity for us. So go ahead, get your designs up, and hopefully you get some sales from it. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more almost daily, pretty much daily niches or design ideas for merch by Amazon and any other print-on-demand platforms, consider subscribing. Click the little bell, and I'll check you out on the next one. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.